I got a topic, you guys. Ratchetness. The act of being ratchet. I'm gonna give you guys the definition of the word ratchet. My definition of the word ratchet, that is. And just the happenings of ratchetness that are in my school and in my community. So, first of all, my definition of ratchet. Don't even get me started, girl. Oh, no. Ratchet. They fake. They so fake. They good. They fake. They got their hair be all greasy. Their fingernails always dirty. Ugh. They cake on all the makeup. Makes them look like a Barbie doll that was melted. They always boobs out, butt out. They walk like that. They walk around like a freaking penguin. They're gonna punch you in the clit. They wear provocative clothing, booty shorts, have their butt hanging out, little skinny sports bras. People be thinking they walk around in their underwear. No. To be ratchet, you ain't gotta be black. I know more white people that ratchet than black people. I have more black. In PC, there are more white ratchet people than there are black ratchet people. As for happenings of ratchetness, girl, don't even get me started. Lauren Rishu, she fake. She copying people's hair, copying people's makeup, tasting music. Taylor Wilhite, walking all boobs out, butt out, like a little penguin. These little hoopies on the street, 11 years old, wearing booty shorts, walking down the street in the middle of winter. My friend will come to me and ask me, "Did they walk around in their underwear, Sierra?" Ooh, my older sister Carrie. I love her to death. She's important for reasons. Her hair greasy. She's had sex with 5 guys in the past week. Ugh. I'll admit that. She's messed up. She's got nice boobs. I want her boobs. Well, that's really all I can say right now, because anything else I have to be screaming when my mama's asleep right down below me. So, dear daddy, I love you. My question of the day: what's your definition of the word ratchet? Comment in the crotch. Like it, favorite it, subscribe. Love you.